Hi students, today we can study frustum of a cone. What is frustum of a cone? You can see one cone, this is cone. If you cut this cone in middle, you will get two parts. That means top side, one cone, then bottom side, remaining part. You will get this type, two part. This cone is top side, then this part is remaining. Then I'm going to write this bottom side. This bottom side is known as frustum of a cone. Then in here, height, you can take h. Then two radius you can see, downside one radius, then top side also one more radius, total two radius. Then radius of bottom we can take capital letter R, then radius of top is small letter r. Then again one more measurement is slant height, L. Frustum of cone. The shape is known as frustum of cone. Then we have to study some formula about this frustum of cone. First one is volume of frustum. Volume of frustum equal to 1/3 pi h into small letter r square plus capital letter R square plus small letter r into capital letter R. This is volume of frustum, 1/3 pi h r square plus r into r. Then in your notebook they are written this small letter r means r2, then capital letter R means r1. Okay, then you can use anything. This capital letter R, small letter r is better for understanding. Next, CSA, curve surface area of frustum, equal to pi into L R plus capital letter R. Curve surface area of frustum. Then L. L also we can write. L means slant height. That formula is square root of h square plus capital letter R minus small letter r square. That is slant height. L equal to square root of h square plus r minus r whole square. Then third one is total surface area, TSA of frustum. TSA of frustum equal to TSA. How can find out? Curve surface area, that means this part plus this top, that is area of top, then again area of bottom, you will get total surface area. All the formulas we can write. CSA of frustum, what is CSA of frustum? Already we are written, isn't it? That formula same, pi L into R plus R plus area of top. Which shape this one? This is circle, isn't it? Then area of circle is pi small letter r square, because radius we took in here, small letter r, plus area of bottom, this, that one also circle, isn't it? Then pi capital letter R square. This is the formula for TSA of frustum. First area of frustum, then curve surface area of frustum, then L, slant height we can write using by this formula, then TSA. Now we can see exercise 13.4, question number 1. A drinking glass in the shape of frustum of a cone of height 14 centimeter, the diameter of its two circular ends are 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Find the capacity of the glass. What is capacity? Capacity means volume of glass. And then we can draw that figure on frustum. This is our glass. Then height is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. Then diameter of its two circular ends 4 and 2. Then top side we can write 4 centimeter. Then bottom side we can write 2 centimeter. Solution. In here what are things given? We can rewrite that one. Given height of glass, small letter h equal to 14 centimeter. Then radius of top of glass, that is cap letter R we can take because top side is big. Then in here they are given diameter, isn't it? We have to find out radius, that means 4 is divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 you will get 2 centimeter. The next radius of bottom of a glass, small letter r equal to, in here diameter given, we have to find out radius divided by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1 centimeter. Our question, we have to find out capacity of the glass. Capacity of the glass. Capacity means volume. You can write in bracket volume equal to. Already was studied one formula, volume of frustum. That formula we can write in here, 1 by 3 pi into h small letter r square plus cap letter r square plus small letter r into cap letter r. This is volume of frustum equal to 1 by 3 into pi value is 22 by 7 into h. H already given, that is 14. Small letter r square. Small letter r means 1. 1 square plus cap letter r square is 2 square plus r 1 into 2. In here 7 and 14 cancel 2 times. Then multiple 1 into 22, 22, 22 into 2, 44 divided by 3 into 1 square, that is 1, then 2 square, 22, 4, then 1 into 2, you will get 2. 44 divided by 3 into 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 7. Multiple 44 and 7. 44 into 7. Then 4 into 7, 28, a remainder 2. Then 4 into 7, 28 plus 2, 30. We will get 308 divided by 3. We can divide that. 308 divided by 3. In 3, 1 time, 3, nothing. Write 0 downside same time in answer also. Then write 8 in 8, 2 times, 2 into 3, 6. 8 minus 6, 2. We can write 102. 102 we got answer. Then what is the remainder in here? 2, isn't it? 2 divided by which number? 2 divided by 3 centimeter. Volume means cube. This is our answer. 102 into 2 by 3 centimeter cube. Next question, question number 2. The slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 centimeter and the perimeters, that means circumference of its circular ends are 18 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Find the curved surface area of the frustum. First we can draw one frustum. One frustum. Then slant height already given, that is 4 centimeter. Slant height is like 4 centimeter. Then after they are given perimeter of that ends. The given slant height. Slant height means we will represent by L. Small letter L equal to 4 centimeter. Then perimeter of bottom. Equal to, what is perimeter of bottom? That means downside. Already given 18 centimeter, isn't it? You can write 18 centimeter. Then perimeter of bottom, this is circle, isn't it? Then perimeter means circumference. Circumference of circle, which formula we can use? That is 2 pi, capital letter R we can use, 18. Then R equal to 18 divided by this 2 pi, bring to right side, 2 pi. Then 2 and 18 cancel, you will get 9 times 9 divided by pi. Radius of bottom we got it 9 divided by pi centimeter. Then next perimeter of top equal to perimeter of top given, that is 6 centimeter, equal to 6 centimeter. Then perimeter of top, that one also circumference of circle, we can use same formula 2 pi but small letter r. R equal to 6 divided by 2 pi, bring to right side, divide by 2 pi. 6 and 2 cancel, 3 times, we will get 3 divided by pi centimeter. Then what is our question? We have to find out curved surface area. You can write C is A of frustum. CSA of frustum, one formula already was studied, that is pi into L R plus capital letter R equal to, pi means just write pi. Okay, I need to give any number. Then L means 4. Then what is small letter R? We got 3 divided by pi. 3 divided by pi plus capital letter R is 9 divided by pi. Pi into 4. Inside the bracket anything common. You can see 1 divided by pi. In here also 1 divided by pi, isn't it? That 1 divided by pi take outside. Then remaining 3 plus 9. This pi and pi cancel. Then 4 into 3 plus 9. That will be 12. 4 into 12, you will get 48 centimeter area. Area means centimeter square. Curved surface area of frustum we got 48 centimeter square. That is our answer. Question number 3 we can see. A face with a cap used by the Turk is shaped like the frustum of a cone if its radius on the open side is 10 centimeter and radius at the upper base is 4 centimeter. Means downside is open, that radius is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Just write this part is open. Downside open. Then radius at the upper base is 4 centimeter. Is 4 centimeter. And slant height is 15 centimeter. Slant height also given, that is 15 centimeter. Find the area of material used for making it. First we can write what are things given in here. Given slant height L equal to 15 centimeter. Then radius of bottom capital letter R equal to 10 centimeter. Then radius of top side, top small letter r equal to 4 centimeter. These three things given in here. Then our question, find the area of material used for making it. Check it in here, downside already open. The downside no need any material, isn't it? Then remaining part, what is this? CSA of frustum we have to find out, isn't it? Then this top side also closed, isn't it? That means area of top also we have to find out. Then total material, how can find out means, first find out area of CSA plus area of bottom. This area of top side, downside, no need to find out because this part is open. Okay. Then we can write area of required material, equal to, first we will find out CSA of frustum, this side, CSA of frustum plus, then after we will find out area of top. This top side means circle, area of circle. Equal to CSA of frustum. Which formula we have studied? That is pi into L R plus capital letter R plus area of top. Top means the small circle, that's why we can write pi small letter r square. Pi take outside, then remaining in here L R plus R plus in here remaining r square. Common pi take outside first, then remaining part we can write. Then give all values. Pi means 22/7 into L. Slant height already given, that is 15 into small letter r, 4 centimeter, isn't it? 4 plus capital letter R is 10. Then R square means 4 square. Small letter r is 4 centimeter. (22/7), 15 into 4 plus 10, 14 plus 4 square. 4 square means 4 into 4, we will get 16. 22/7 into, we can multiple 15 into 14. 15 into 14. 4 into 5, 20, remainder 2. Then 4 into 1, 4 plus 2, 6. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 1, 1. 0, 21, 11, remainder 1, and 2, 21. We will get 210 plus 16. (22/7) into 210 plus 16, 226. Then after multiple 22 into 226, 226 into 22, 12, remainder 1, 22, 4 plus 1, 5. Then 22, 4. Again using by 2 means we will get same number, 2, 5, 4. 2794. 4972 divided by 7. Divide by 7. You can divide using by 7. 4972 divided by 7. 4 divided by 7 we cannot. Then 49. In 49, 7 times. 7 into 7, 49. Nothing. Write 7 downside. Then in 7, 110. 1 into 7, 7. Nothing. Then this 2, we write downside 2. 2 divided by 7 we cannot do, isn't it? Then we are not find out decimal number. That's why just add 1 0 only. Keep in mind this 2 we brought downside. Then after we are not going to do anything, isn't it? That's why just write 1 0. You will get answer now. 710. What is the remainder in here? 2, isn't it? 2 divided by 7. We can write, therefore, area of required material equal to 710 2 divided by 7 centimeter square. Area means we'll get centimeter square, that is unit. Now we can see question number 4. A container open from the top and made up of metal sheet is in the form of a frustum of cone of height 16 centimeter. First we can draw one frustum. Select one frustum. Then height of frustum is 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter. With the radii of its lower and upper ends. Lower end is 8 centimeter. Then upper 20 centimeter. The top side is open. Right? Open side respectively. Find the cost of milk which can completely fill the container at the rate of 20 rupees. That is first part of question. Then also find the cost of metal sheet used to make the container if it's rupees 8 per 100 centimeter square. What are things given in here? We can write that given height of container L equal small letter h equal to 16 centimeter. Then radius of top capital letter R equal to radius of top is 20 centimeter. Then radius of bottom small letter r equal to 8 centimeter. First step we have to find out volume of this frustum. Volume of frustum equal to 1 by 3 pi h into r square plus capital letter r square plus small letter r into capital letter R. We can give all values in here. 1 by 3 pi means already given in question 3.14 into h. H is 16 into r square small letter r is 8 square plus capital letter R is 20 20 square plus small letter r into capital letter R. Small letter r is 8 into capital letter R is 20. Multiple 3.14 and 16. 3.14, 16. 6 into 4, 24. Remainder 2. 6 into 1, 6 plus 2, 8. 6 into 3, 18. Then 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 3, 3. 12. Remainder 1. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Remainder 1. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5. 5, 0, 2, 4. Then after point in here, two numbers are there. We can put 1 point in here. Divide by this 3 into 8 square. 8 square means 8 into 8, that is 64 plus 20 square, that is 20 into 20, you will get 400 plus 8 into 20 is 160. 50.24 divided by 3 into, then 64 plus 400 plus 160, we can do that. 64 plus 400 plus 160. 4, 6 plus 6, 12. A remainder 1. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 2, 4. 624. Then after you can cancel this 2. In 6, 2 times. Then 2 divided by 3 we cannot, isn't it? Then take 2 numbers, that time you have to add 1 0 because together we took 2 numbers. In 24, 8 times. 208. Then after multiple 50.24 into 208. Into 208. 8 into 4, 32. Remainder 3. Then 8 into 2, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. Remainder 1. 8 into 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 8 into 5, 40. Then using by 0. 0 into 4, 0. 0 into 2, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 5, 0. Then 2 into 4, 8. Then 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 5, 10. 2, 9. Then 1 plus 8, 9. Then 0 plus 0 plus 4, 4. Then in here 4, 0, 1. You will get 1, 0, 4, 4, 9, 9, 2. Then after point, 2 numbers. Centimeter cube. Centimeter cube we can change it to liter. 1044.9.92. Just divide by 1000. If you divide by 1000, that time the centimeter cube automatically change to liter. Then 3 zeros, that means this point change to 3 place left side. 1 0 point 4 4 9 9 2. Here the 1 2 3 places. This one we can write 10.4, this 4 become 5 because 9 is more than 5. Now we got that volume of container in liter. Therefore, our question, find out cost. Total cost of milk. Total cost of milk rupees 20 per liter equal to 20 into, that is cost of per liter, 1 liter 20 rupees into how much liter, that is 10.45. We can multiple 20 into 10.45, 0, 0, 0, 0, 25, 10, remainder 1, 24, 8 plus 1, 9, 0, 0, 0, 9, 0, 2, 0, 9, 0, 0. After point, 2 number. Means only 0 means no need to write. We got cost is 209. Cost of milk. Then, what is second part of this question? Check it again in your question. We have to find out area of metal sheet. Then, first we will find out area of metal sheet. Then after, we have to find out cost of metal sheet also. First, we can find out area of required metal sheet. Area of required metal sheet equal to, already they given up top side, upside is open. That means first we will find out CSA of this container plus this area of bottom side. Top side no need to consider because that is open, only bottom only closed. CSA of container, that is frustum anyway, container plus area of bottom, area of bottom. CSA of container, CSA of frustum, which formula we have studied, that is pi into L R plus R plus area of bottom. Bottom means circle, isn't it? We can write pi small letter R square because this small circle equal to pi we can take outside, then remaining L plus R plus R plus R square. Then equal to pi into L how much? In here L not given, isn't it? L we can find out using by one formula already was studied, square root of H square plus R minus R all square. This is L into R plus R plus small letter R square. Then all values we can give in here. Pi means 3.14 into square root of H square. What is H? Height of container. Already they are given 16. 16 square plus R minus R. Capital letter R is 20 minus small letter R is 8 whole square into R plus R. 8 plus 20. Then small letter R square is 8 square. 3.14 square root of 16 square, that is 256. 20 minus 8, 12 square into 8 plus 20, we can write 28. 8 square is 64. 3.14 into 256 plus 12 square, 12 into 12, 144 into 28 plus 64. 314. Then square root of 256 plus 144, if you are doing this, you will get 400. 28, 64. 314 into square root of 400, that is 20. Then we can multiple 20 into 28. 28, 20, 0, 0, 16, remainder 1, 5. 560, then plus 64 also we can do, plus 64. 4, 12, 6. 3.14 into 624. Multiple again 3.14 and 624. 624 into 314. 16, remainder 1, 8, 9. 24. Then 4, 2, 6. Using by 3, 12. Remainder 1, 6, 7, 18. 6, 13. Remainder 1, 9, 8, 15. Remainder 1, 9, then 1. You will get 1, 9, 5, 9, 3, 6 after point 2 number. 1959.36 centimeter square, that is area. Area means centimeter square. Then our question, cost of metal sheet. Cost of metal sheet. What is cost given? Already given, rupees 8, isn't it? Per 100 centimeter square. Per 100 centimeter square, rupees 8. One answer got it, 1959. This is total area of metal sheet into 8 divided by per 100 centimeter square. 8 divided by 100. Then multiple 195936 into 8, 48, 4, 8 into 3, 24 plus 4, 28, remainder 2, 72 plus 2, 74, 7, 8 into 5, 40 plus 7, 47, remainder 4, then 8 into 9, 8 into 9, 72 plus 4, 76. 7, 8 into 1, 8 plus 7, 15. You will get 1, 5, 6, 7, 4, 8, 8. After point 2 numbers, divide by 100. Equal to in here 2 zeros are there, that's why this point will change left side 2 places. You can write rupees 156.75. Our answer 156.75.